5 ways to promote your YT channel as a beginner. To get more subscribers. 1. Consistency. Post videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and interested in your content. 2. Optimize your videos. Use keywords in your video titles, descriptions and tags to make it easier for people to find your videos through search engines. 3. Utilize social media. Share your videos on your other social media platforms and interact with your followers to build a community. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions, ask for feedback and actively engage with your audience to build a strong relationship with them. 5. Ask for support from your personal network. Let your friends and family know about your channel and ask them to share it with their own networks. By consistently posting videos, you can establish a pattern for your audience and help them know when to expect new content from you. This can help keep them engaged and interested in your channel. You can decide on a schedule that works best for you and stick to it. Optimizing your videos for search engines can help increase their visibility and attract new subscribers. This includes using keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags that are relevant to your content and what people might search for. Additionally, make sure your videos have eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent the content of the video. Social media platforms can be a great way to promote your channel and reach a wider audience. Share your videos on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook and interact with your followers to build a community. Additionally, consider using paid social media advertising to target specific demographics and drive more traffic to your channel. Building a strong relationship with your audience is key to growing your channel and keeping your subscribers engaged. Respond to comments and questions, ask for feedback, and actively engage with your audience to show them that you value their support. This can help build a loyal community that will continue to support your channel and help it grow.